because I've bleached my hair already. It's virgin hair. It's on my Instagram. I am going to use this bleach from Russell. Got a toner. They're all the same brand, so they should work well together. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Oh my god, the stink off this. Ew! I literally forgot how rank bleach smelled. At least it's blue, like low-key toned vibes. I definitely just jinxed that so much. I know, I jinxed it. Fuck. This isn't funny. I'm actually genuinely scared. Look at those layers. They were cut into my hair last time I got a cut. Thanks so much. Good thing my hair is so healthy. This is what I'm using. Oh god, look how thick it is. I was watching like a bleaching video and someone was like, use a toothbrush, you have better application. This is hard, like. Ew. So attractive. Maybe I'll just blend in the root to make like an ombre. I'm so over this, like. Out here doing acrobats trying to do this. Ooh. Hooky sectioning queen though.
Oh my god, it's haunted.
First layer is on. Also, I only discovered halfway through that I had to put gloves on because my fingers nearly fell off. Sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it on for 45 minutes. 45 minutes. So I just washed it off. I forgot to record, like, I'm so sorry. Oh, okay, let's just cut to the chase. Okay, like the sides are so white. Roots need another go. Last time I did my hair, like I just didn't leave it in long enough, left it in for like half an hour, and I left this in for 45 minutes. Probably shouldn't do that. I don't know if you should do that. Don't take advice off me. But like, look at my actual root. So light. This is what I had feared would happen. You know, blonde, dark, blonde. I'm bleaching it again, so it's fine. Don't worry about it. So I'm probably gonna go like, I don't know, like I don't know what I'm doing, so like I'm just guessing. Like everyone's probably like, that looks cuntish, but like this is usually bleach number 2. I am going to have drinks now. This is an intermission, if you will. Such a nice evening. You're on camera.
Oh no, the sides are a bit orange.
Yeah, but this one you go one gear.
I've seen it done where it's like, oh god.
This is a great result, in my opinion. Okay, I'm not vlogging anymore because this is so embarrassing. Nikki?
Day 2.
This is not even funny. Cut the cameras.
Cut the cameras.
Oh my god. I had a glass of West Coast Cooler because I am a mother. I had a Sex on the Beach, a bottle of like Heineken or something. Another Sex on the Beach. Then I had a glass of Prosecco, 2 Sex on the Beaches. I was literally lying in bed last night like I'm never drinking again. And I just came home then and like spilled tea all over myself, like scalded my legs. Litters, so not worth it. I'm wearing like such an ugly top because I don't want to ruin another top. I'm so over flies, like they're actually disgusting. And I don't know why I thought it was actually like really good yesterday, but like like this is bad love. Oh, I can't. Why is this turning into a vlog? It's a hair tutorial.
How you doing? How you doing?
Okay, so I just put bleach on the bits that were like really yellow and it was low-key brown bits that I just discovered. So I'm gonna leave that on for 20 minutes. I just said my hair was gonna fall out. It's healthy as well.
20 minutes later.
Probably should have like dried it before I'd show you, but like who actually cares? The only bad thing is like there's a big brown spot here. Like I'm always like, oh sure, like why would I go to a hairdresser? I can do it myself, but I clearly can't. I'm gonna go bleaching again.
1 hour later.
I have to go again. I'm just not gonna update you until it's done because I'm over it.
3 hours later. Tomorrow.
I love it.
I'll just finish this when I go home because I can't vlog in front of you.
I don't vlog for you, funny. Go on.
Guys, this is the finished result.
Oh, I love the tan with it. It's like a surfer board. Hardly.
Yeah. The picture of when I cut my hair is gonna be the thumbnail. Okay, I'm going. We're going to go away. It looks so shit.
It actually does.
Would you not put a bit of a tan on your back? You said your vibe.
She's huge, but she's so beautiful.
She's a mammoth, of course.
So this video low-key turned into a vlog, but this is my hair. Like, it's literally healthy. Like, look how healthy that is. Look how shiny it is. It's not even fried. I can't believe I got it this white and like toned. It's so white. Oh my god. Everyone definitely thought that was gonna ruin my hair and like it was all gonna fall off, but it didn't. How does that make you feel? It was my first video, like, let's not be rude. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it wasn't boring. Okay, bye. Subscribe.